Hey everyone, I want to talk about something important today.
Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has announced a significant overhaul of the company's moderation policies, marking a shift toward prioritizing free speech and reducing reliance on traditional fact-checking methods. During the announcement, Zuckerberg revealed that Meta will discontinue its partnership-driven fact-checking program and adopt a community-driven moderation system similar to X's community notes. This strategic move comes amid a broader reassessment of content management policies influenced by the evolving political and social climate. The transition aims to simplify Meta's moderation processes while minimizing errors. Zuckerberg emphasized that the company's previous complex systems inadvertently censored millions of posts, creating widespread dissatisfaction. He acknowledged that the 2024 election served as a cultural tipping point, prompting Meta to reevaluate its approach to balancing content moderation with free expression. Going forward, the company will shift focus to addressing high-severity violations such as terrorism, drug trafficking, and child exploitation, while granting users more control over less critical content disputes. In addition to the removal of the fact-checking program, Meta plans to phase out specific content restrictions related to immigration, gender, and other contentious topics. Automated moderation systems will be recalibrated to require higher confidence levels before removing posts, potentially allowing more content to remain online. These changes will impact Facebook, Instagram, and Threads, collectively reaching billions of users worldwide. Meta's move has drawn comparisons to Elon Musk's changes at X, which introduced a community-driven approach to misinformation oversight. Conservatives have widely supported X's community notes system, viewing it as a model for more transparent and less biased moderation. Meta's decision to mirror this framework has been perceived as an effort to align with shifting political sentiments, particularly as the company navigates relationships with the incoming Trump administration. To further signal its commitment to reform, Meta will relocate its trust and safety team from California to Texas. The relocation is seen as both a symbolic and strategic gesture, emphasizing a shift toward decentralization and regional adaptability. Zuckerberg highlighted that this move reflects the company's intention to rebuild trust with users while ensuring policies are more representative of broader American values. Historically, Meta's fact-checking program involved collaborations, with over 90 organizations operating in more than 60 languages. Certified by groups such as the International Fact-Checking Network, these partners evaluated content based on accuracy and provided labels ranging from false to true. However, criticisms of political bias and inefficiency led to mounting pressure to abandon this approach. By adopting community-driven moderation, Meta aims to empower users to play a more active role in identifying misinformation. The timing of this shift aligns with growing scrutiny of government interactions with social media companies. Congressional inquiries and legal battles have focused on allegations of censorship, particularly in relation to COVID-19 misinformation and election integrity. While Meta previously defended its cooperation with authorities, Zuckerberg now frames the policy shift as a means to counter global censorship trends with support from the US government. Zuckerberg also announced changes to Meta's recommendation algorithms, signaling a return to promoting civic and political content after years of limiting its visibility. He acknowledged that earlier efforts to reduce political content were driven by user complaints about stress and negativity. However, the company now believes audiences are ready to re-engage with such topics in a more balanced manner. The announcement has sparked mixed reactions. Supporters of free speech have praised Meta's decision as a step toward greater transparency and reduced bias. Critics, however, worry about the potential proliferation of misinformation and the loss of oversight previously provided by third-party fact-checkers. The extent to which community-driven moderation can effectively address these concerns remains to be seen. Meta's pivot also reflects broader industry trends, with social media giants reassessing their roles as content gatekeepers. Zuckerberg's acknowledgement of mistakes and his call to simplify policies resonate with a growing demand for platforms that balance safety with freedom. The upcoming months will serve as a critical test for Meta's new direction, as it navigates political pressures, user expectations, and the evolving digital landscape.